Hello guys, welcome back to this channel Berani Belajar, kalian harus berani. Kali ini kita masuk ke unit 11. Unit 11 bahas apa tuh? Bahas mengenai penggunaan how long have you been? Tanda tanya. Oke, berarti ini kita akan seperti biasa akan mempelajari yang bagian A dulu ya. Kita pahami dulu contoh situasinya. Nah, di sini ada si Dan sama si Kate. Dan and Kate are married. They got married exactly 20 years ago. So today is their 20th wedding anniversary. Okay, nice. Dan and Kate menikah. Mereka telah menikah tepatnya 20 tahun yang lalu. Dan hari ini adalah peringatan ke-20-nya. They have been married for 20 years. Okay. We say they are married present, but how long have they been married, not how long are they married. Kalau dia ngomong kayak gini berarti nanti udah selesai gitu ya. They have been married for 20 years. They are married for 20 years. They have been married for 20 years itu berarti masih still continue ya, dia kayak masih berlangsung. Tapi kalau misalnya dibilang they are married, itu udah selesai gitu. Oke. Kita lanjut dulu, mana tahu lebih paham lagi di bagian bawah ya. We use of the present perfect to talk about something that began in the past and still continues now. Itu present perfect ya. Present perfect to talk about something that began in the past and still continues now. Dan yang dijelaskan tadi ya. They have been married for 20 years nih. They have been married for 20 years. Itu kan dari mulai 20 tahun yang lalu dan still continues now. Itu present perfect. Compare the present and present perfect. Simple present ya, sama simple present sama present perfect. Paul is in hospital, but he's been in hospital since Monday. He has been, not Paul is in hospital since Monday. Okay, we know each other very well. We've known each other for a long time. Not we know. Okay. Do you have a car? How long have they had their car? Okay, masuk akal ya. She's waiting for somebody. She hasn't been waiting for very long. Nah, okay. Kalau misalnya kita perhatikan, ini dia present itu yang di sini ya. He is, we know, do they have, she is waiting, termasuk yang continuousnya. Nah, kalau present perfect termasuk yang ada continuousnya, dia di sini di past sampai now. Nah, kalau misalnya si present itu dia di bagian sebelah sini, dia kayak sedang berlangsung gitu. We know each other very well. Ya, gitu ya. Jadi kalau misalnya kita pakai si yang present itu, Paul is in hospital, ya, Paul di rumah sakit. Tapi kalau kita mau bilang dia he's been in hospital since Monday, nah kita memang harus pakai si itu ya, present perfect ya, karena udah di start since Monday-nya itu dan sampai sekarang dia masih gitu ya. Contohnya, we know each other very well. Oke, kita mengenal satu sama lain dengan baik, boleh kayak gitu. Tapi kalau kita mau bilang kita udah kenal lama, itu kita nggak pakai si present perfect, nggak pakai present, tapi pakai present perfect. We've known each other for a long time. Okay. Misalnya kita nanya, apakah kamu punya car? Do they have a car? Apakah kalian punya sebuah mobil? Nah, itu boleh kita tanyain. Tapi kalau misalnya kita nanya, udah berapa lama nih kalian memiliki mobil? How long have they had their car? Berapa lama mereka punya mobil mereka tuh? Berarti kan itu udah di sini ya sebenarnya. Tanya waktu durasi dari sini ke sini sampai now yang kita ngomong itu berapa? How long? Nah, biasanya itu ya. Nih, she's waiting for somebody. Iya, dia menunggu. Tapi kalau misalnya dia bilang aku nggak lama kok nunggunya, berarti she hasn't been waiting very long. Nah, berarti kita pakai si present perfect. Oke. Kita masuk ke bagian B. We've known I've known, I've had, I've lived, etc. in the present perfect simple. I've been learning, I've been waiting, the present perfect continuous. Sekarang hubungannya si present perfect aja sama present perfect continuous ya. Kalau misalnya yang ini dia. Ini sama yang ini. Nah, atau yang ini sama yang ini. Ini yang apa? Yang biasa dan yang ada continuousnya. When we ask or say how long, the continuous is more usual. Kalau misalnya ditanya seberapa lama, maka kalau kita pakai continuous itu lebih umum digunakan ya. Nah, misalnya I've been learning English since January. Okay. It's been raining all morning. Okay. Richard has been doing the same job for 20 years. Boleh. How long have you been drinking? Since I was 17. Nah, okay. Itu dia. Tapi kalau misalnya nggak menyebutkan how long-nya itu, berarti ya kita boleh pakai si present perfect. Misalnya misalnya nggak usah pakai I've been ya, berarti I've had I've eaten. So kok I've berarti kalau misalnya aku bilang aku telah makan, bisa pakai ini kan, I've had, tapi nggak lagi lah, I've eaten gitu ya. Apakah benar? Kurang tahu ya. Sepertinya benar sih. Kalau misalnya pakai yang ada kata-kata how long, baru kita baru pakai si continuous. Oke. Misalnya aku udah belajar. I've studied. Tapi kalau aku mau bilang aku udah belajar selama 2 jam, berarti I've been studying for 2 hours. Nah, oke lah, kira-kira seperti itu ya. Tadi udah dijelaskan sebelumnya, some verbs, sebagian kata kerja contohnya now and like, nggak biasa digunakan pada continuous. Biarpun kita nanyain pakai how long ya. How long have you known Jane? Bukan how long have you been knowing Jane. Nah, sama halnya kalau misalnya having ya. I've had these shoes for age. Not I've been having these shoes for age. Itu kayak itu apa nggak normal atau tidak sering, not normally used in continuous. Ini dapat dilihat di unit 4A, udah kita bahas. Di 10C juga, ini 11 kan ya? Ya, ini 10C juga for have, nanti kita lihat di unit 17. Akan terus diupdate deh videonya. Kemudian yang bagian C, kita lihat. You can use either the continuous or simple with live and work. Nah, jadi kita bebas nih menggunakan si continuous atau yang biasa untuk kata live sama work. Julia has been living in this house for a long time, or Julia has lived in this house for a long time. Boleh. How long have you been working here, atau how long have you worked here, sama, boleh. But use the simple have lived with always. Kalau udah kita pakai always, kita harus pakai si yang simple present perfect apa ya? Present perfect simple. Nih, kita pakai, kalau udah ada always pakai ini, pakai yang present perfect tense. Jadi, I've always lived in the country, I've not always been living. Kalau misalnya I've always been living, berarti dia apa ya? Bisa dibilang kayak nggak selamanya, nggak, ya itulah tadi ya, nggak always gitu, nggak selalu. Nah, yang di we say haven't done something since for itu pakai present perfect simple. Pakai present perfect simple pakai kok misalnya I haven't since for. Nah, I haven't seen Tom since Monday. Berarti Monday was the last time I saw him. Aku melihatnya di Monday. Misalnya Sarah hasn't phoned for age. The last time she phoned was age ago. Misalnya I haven't watch. Kalau kalian mau kayak ngecek kata kerja gitu enak pakai Babla ya. Bab apa pakai Babla namanya. Search aja di Google. Misalnya aku udah apa namanya? Mana ya? Sebentar guys. Kok nggak langsung di ini. I've watched berarti I haven't watched TV since for a day. TV for a day. Aku belum ada menonton TV seharian gitu ya. Ya, kita berarti pakai present. Berarti enggak I haven't been watching TV for a day. Nah, itu enggak apa namanya? Misalnya I haven't been watching TV for a day. Nah, ini enggak benar ya ini. Oke. Kita langsung ke exercise ya aja ya. Karena dengan kita latihan maka akan lebih paham. Which is right. Oke, jadi ini kita coret aja ya. Ben is a friend of mine. Ben adalah temanku. I know him very well. I know is correct. Yang salah kita coret. Number 2, I like your house. How long have you lived here? How long have you lived here? Salah ya, yang do you live. Number 3, you'll need an umbrella. If you go out now, you will need. If you go out now, berarti nggak perlu kan kita pakai it's been raining sebenarnya. Mau udah dimulai atau baru aja dimulai juga nggak masalah, berarti pakai it's raining ya. Oke. Number 4, the weather is or has been awful since. Udah ada since berarti has been. Udah kayak belajar ini yang ngerjain TOEFL ya. I'm sorry I'm late. Nah, are you waiting? Nah, berarti kalau dia nanya waktu-waktu gitu pakai perfect continuous ya. Have you been waiting long? Nah, oke. We've moved. We're living. Nah, berarti we're living. Ini salah. We're living aja langsung. I met Maria only recently. Aku ketemu Maria only recently. I don't know. I haven't known her very long. Aku kayak baru ketemu si Maria itu baru-baru aja. Very long. I haven't known her very long berarti ya. Karena dia berhubungan sama waktunya gitu. Lisa is in Germany. She's ini aja, she's saja ya. That's a very old bike. How long? Nah, have you had it? Have you had it? Nah, number 10, I'm not feeling good. I'm feeling all day. I'm feeling ill all day. Berarti I've been ya berarti. Ini kita hapus. Nice. Selesai 11.1, 11.2. Read the situation and write question using the word in brackets. A friend tells you that Paul is in hospital. You ask him, how long has Paul been in hospital? Okay. You know that Jane is a good friend of Catherine's. You ask Jane, how long? Aku mau ganti warna deh. Biru dulu, warna biru biar sama. How long have you known si Catherine. Nah, okay. Number 3, your friend's sister went to Australia some time ago and she's still there. You ask your friend. Berarti pakai ini ya, been ya. How long has your sister been in Australia? Nah, okay. Number 4, you meet a woman who tells you that she teaches English. You ask her. Nah, kita pakai how long juga sih. How long have you been teaching English? Atau English, or how long have you kebanyakan E nya, sorry. Been teaching, how taught English, ngajar bahasa Inggris, sama aja sebenarnya. Nah, number 5, Tom always wear the same jacket. It's very old. You ask him, how long have you had that jacket? Number 6, you are talking to a friend about Joe who now works at the airport. You ask friends. You are talking to a friend about Joe who now works at the airport. Berarti how long has he, berarti nggak ya? How long has Joe, karena dia mungkin pakai lebih cocok pakai Joe, terusnya masih Joey ya. How long has Joe been working at the airport? Nah, number 7, you meet somebody on a plane. Kita ketemu seorang di pesawat. She says that she lives in Chicago. You ask her. Berarti has you always live in Chicago? Kalau you bukan pakai has dong. Sorry guys. silap. Have you always lived in Chicago? Nah, oke. Nice, kita lanjutkan pembahasan 11.3. Membahas soal terakhir. Kita suruh ngapain sih? Complete the answer to a question. Oke. Paul is in hospital, isn't he? Jawabannya yes, he has been in hospital since Monday. Do you see Lisa very often? No, I haven't seen her for 3 months. Sorry. Is Paul married? Yes, she has been married ya berarti. Oke. Is Ami married? Yes, she is ya berarti. She is married. Married a German guy. Is okay. Do you still play tennis? No, I haven't ya berarti ya played tennis for years. Are you waiting for the bus? Yes, I have been waiting for about 20 minutes. Yes, we have known each other for a long time. Jack is never ill, is he? No, he. Apakah no, dia berarti kalau dia kayak gini ngomongnya no, he hasn't been since. Yes, no, he hasn't been ill since I've known him. Oke ya, bisa ya. Number 9, Martin lives in Italy, doesn't he? Yes, he has lived in Milan, or he has been living, karena kan tadi yang ada live sama live sama work itu boleh pakai dua-duanya ya. Living in Milan. Number 10, Sue lives in Berlin, doesn't she? Yes, for many years. Berarti she has been ya berarti. Tapi kalau misalnya ya boleh aja sih, sama kayak tadi seperti di atasnya. Live or has been living. Nah, kemudian number 11, is Joe watching TV? Yes, he has. Bilang all evening ya, has been watch TV. Kalau been pakai watch, sorry. Watching, yes, been watching TV all. Oke. Nomor 12, do you watch TV a lot? No, I haven't. Berarti kan I haven't watched ya berarti. Since last week I haven't watched. Oke, nomor 13, do you have a headache? Yes, I've had headache all morning. Coba kita cek lagi penggunaannya. Okay. Do you have a headache? Yes, I've had a headache all morning. Okay. Do you go to the cinema a lot? No. 4H berarti I haven't been. Gak mungkin, gak cocok. 14 berarti I haven't been aja ya. I haven't been to the cinema 4H. Aku belum ke cinema 4H. Would you like to go to New York? Yes, I use always sama one. I have always wanted to go to New York. Okay. Pas yang nomor 14, do you go to the cinema a lot? No, I haven't been to the cinema for 4H. Do you have a headache? Yes, I've had a headache. Bukan I have been heading. Kalau had kan juga nggak dipakai ya. Nih, do you watch TV a lot? No, I haven't watched TV since last week. Tapi kok ada kayak aku kayak deja vu gitu, kok ada yang since dia pakai. Oh ini, I haven't done something since or for. Since or for kita pakai present perfect. Monday was the I haven't seen Tom since Monday. Sarah, oke, berarti ini benar ya. Kita do you watch TV a lot? No, I haven't watched, karena ada since or for. Coba kita cari yang ada kata for-nya. Ini ada since ya. Ini ada for. Nah, berarti pakai present perfect. Oke, mungkin itu aja pembahasannya. Kali ini kita masuk ke 11 dari 145. Keep fighting, guys. Thank you for your attention.